Hello friends, welcome back to our another Faction Learning series video. In my previous video, I already covered this topic, how to create a new supplier payments. Okay, so today I will show you how to generate or how to export your reports. So currently you are seeing this all report dashboard, right? So you can go through directly from here also to generate your any reports, and you can use your all report dashboard also. So let me show you all these reports one by one. Okay, so let's move forward. So here you can see this profit loss report. Okay, so you can see this template or format. Okay, right. So here you can get your particular this company wise profit and loss report. Okay, so by date wise you can filter it by month, by week, by quarter, by year, or you can custom your date also. So you get your report or result by date wise. Okay, so let me show you week wise. Simply you have to apply here and see this report is your week wise. Okay, weekly report. So here you get your income, total revenue and gains, expenses, and you can see here your total expense. Okay, right, net profit loss. So you can see here your report. So now you can do the reset again and generate this report monthly wise. So see this. So yeah, so after selecting your month or maybe date, whatever result you want, then you have to simply do here export. Okay, just simply click on this export CTA, then you get your report. So let's move forward, and now we can generate the receivable report. So see this format you get. Okay, this is your dashboard. So you can get from here every basic detail, the document name, account number, and your organization name, registration number, billing country, everything you get from here. Okay, transactions, like everything. So the same format. If you want to custom your date, you can simply custom, or if you want to select your report any week or month wise, then you simply click on it. And if you want to select your entities, simply select and apply, then you get your report. Okay, so if you want to reset again, then reset it. And here you have export option. Just click on this export CTA and you get your report. Okay, now let's move forward. See this payable report. So the same format you have to follow, right? Suppose I'm using weekly wise and invoice and apply. See this. From here you get your like a basic detail of your company, organization name, registration number, this document number, account number, everything. Okay, including your total tax amount, everything you get from here. And simply the same option, reset option, and export the report. So you get your table detail report. Yeah, so come to the text summary. Let me show you. So this is your text summary. So you can see here this format, right? So the same process you have to follow. Simply click here week wise, entities, apply, and you get your summary, text summary. So here you can see the tax name, tax percentage, amount. Okay, so you can see this report. This is inbound, and if I am using the outbound and then filter, then you get this report. Okay, so now here you can again reset your text summary, and you can export your text summary by clicking here. So that's it for text summary. Now come to the estimate summary. Okay, so see this format: organization name, registration number, billing country, date, expiry date, estimate number, INV number, status, discount, everything, like total without tax, retention. So this is your estimate summary. So the same procedure you have to follow. Suppose I am using custom date. Okay. I am changing my date fab2 and estimate date and apply. So no result is found. Suppose, yeah. So you get your estimate summary by filtering your date range. Actually, for that date range, I did not added many estimate, so that's why it was showing only one result. And you can simply choose your expiry date or estimate date both, like whatever and whatever report you want. You simply just select it and filter according to your need and just apply, and you get your report. And simply you can filter. If you want to reset, you can just reset it. And here you have another option for export, right? So simply export your data from here. So that's all about our all reports. Okay. So profit loss report, receivable details, payable details, tax summary, estimate summary. You get easily your report from this dashboard. Okay. So yeah, that's it from my end. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any queries related to our any learning series video, please do comment. Okay. And if you did not watch our any previous learning series video, I will suggest you please go and watch all the videos. So thanks for watching. See you guys in our next video.